Investing in custom California shutters can have a significant impact on the value of your home. Not only do they enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your property, but they also offer practical benefits that can be attractive to potential buyers. According to industry experts, the installation of custom shutters can increase a home's resale value by as much as 5–15%. This makes them a wise long-term investment that can pay dividends when it's time to sell your home. Transforming your home with custom California shutters. Custom California shutters are a versatile and practical window treatment option that can transform the look and feel of your home. By considering the factors discussed in this video, you can select the perfect shutters to suit your personal style and the unique needs of your living space. With the help of professional installation services, you can enjoy the many benefits of custom California shutters, from improved energy efficiency to enhanced curb appeal and increased home value. Ready to take the next step in transforming your home with custom California shutters? Contact us today to schedule a free consultation and get a personalized quote. Our team of experts will guide you through the selection process and ensure a seamless installation that exceeds your expectations. Get started on your journey to a more beautiful, energy-efficient, and valuable home. Please like, share and subscribe.